in this question we are given that a material A, it costs $3 per kilogram and material B costs $5 per kilogram. Before reading the question any further, let's create a table. Now, creating a table helps you write down the data correctly and it will help you avoid making any mistakes. So, whenever you see that it is possible to create a table in which you can write down the data, do create one. So, we have the cost of material A to be $3 and cost of material B to be $5. We are given that the material K consists of X kilograms of A and Y kilograms of B. So we can find that the total cost of material A would be $3x and the total cost of material B would be $5y. And we can find out that the total cost will be equal to 3x plus 5y. Now we are given that there are 10 kilograms of material K. That means we can write x plus y equals to 10. So we have these two equations. We now move on to step 2 and check the sufficiency of statement 1. In statement 1 we have that y is greater than 4. Now y is greater than 4 can have values such as y equal to 5, x equal to 5 or equals to 6 and x is equal to 4. Now in this case we have that x is equal to y and we have that y is greater than x. Now there is one case that you might probably miss out, which is we don't know about the nature of x and y. That is, they can be integers or they can be real numbers. So we can also take y to be equal to 4.1 and x to be equal to 5.9. And in this case we have that x is greater than y. Since we are getting contradictory answers from this statement, we say that statement 1 is insufficient. And from the given options, we eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. Now in statement 2 we have that the cost of 10 kilograms of the material K is less than $40. That means the cost which is given by equation 1, 3x plus 5y, this is less than $40. Now from the second equation we can write x as 10 minus y, and on substituting this value here we get 10 minus y plus 5y less than 40, which gives us 30 minus 3y plus 5y less than 40, and this gives us that 2y is less than 10, using which we can say that y is less than 5. Now if y is less than 5, this implies that x will be greater than 5, and using these two inequalities we can say that x is greater than y. So we conclude that statement 2 is sufficient and hence the correct answer is option B.